Former world number 6 Albert Costa is instrumental to the success of the Barcelona Open. As tournament director, Costa explained the challenges he faces compared to his playing career.
The challenges are to make the schedule, to try to have happy all the players. So that's not easy, because sometimes you have to put them on Monday and they want to play on Tuesday and they want to play center court and you put them on court number 1. So that's, when I was a player, I was only thinking about me. And now you have to think about the tournament and about the whole draw. And that's not really easy.
Following training sessions on Tuesday, the Barcelona boss received the disappointing news that third seed David Ferrer was forced to withdraw from the tournament due to a calf muscle strain. Richard Gasquet is also a casualty. He has been unable to recover from a back injury and will not compete this week in Barcelona. Bright but breezy conditions greeted large crowds who attended second round action at the Real Club de Tennis, and as expected, Rafa Nadal received a warm welcome as he faced Granollers for the 4th time in his career. The 8-time champion won all 3 of their previous meetings, and it was he who made a positive start.
Oh, he's got it. Stolen by the former world number 1.
Nadal's attacking style soon found a rhythm, and breaking again in the 4th game began to take charge of the set.
Swats that one away as well.
The top seed continued to dominate in the second set, breaking twice, and was well on his way to the last 16.
It's lovely stuff from Nadal.
And in just over 90 minutes, the world number 5 arrived at match point.
Nadal chalks up his 44th victory at this tournament, and his bid for a 9th title here in Barcelona is off to a successful start.
Earlier in the day, Nishikori launched the defence of his title, facing Dutchman Thiem. The pair met this season in Acapulco, where the defending champion recorded a 6-love, 6-3 victory. The number 2 seed made the better start.
Comes through the tight game. Does Nishikori. Had to save 2 break points.
And with Nishikori's ability to turn defence into attack, he continued to dominate the opener.
Brutal.
Clinching the first set 6-4, the world number 6 displayed his considerable shot range in the second.
Oh yes, fabulous from Nishikori. What a dig that was. Becker thought he'd done enough here. A weak reply. Superb shot making.
And in a little over an hour, the 2-time champion eased to match point.
Just deep. And Nishikori moves into round 3.
I think I played a good match today. I had a couple weeks off after Miami, and I had a good train after Miami and on clay, and here I feel really comfortable in Barcelona. So I had a great match today, and I hope I can keep going.
Earlier in the day, Brazil's Thomas Bellucci met Germany's Alex Zverev for the right to reach the last 16, and the 19-year-old had more than one reason to celebrate.
Happy birthday, Alexander Zverev. The German claims yet another scalp in 2016.
In a highly competitive affair between Feliciano Lopez and Ivan Dodig, the Spaniard recovered from a breakdown to snatch the first set in a tiebreak, and breaking the Dodig serve at 4-5 in the second, carved his path into the 3rd round. Third round action commences at the Barcelona Open Banc Sabadell on Thursday. Rafa Nadal and Nishikori are both in action as their quest for the Conde de Godó trophy continues.